a ride with me on a do. Oh, why do I feel this cool? Hey, must be the money. Hey guys, do you guys do the same thing when you guys can't figure out the words? You just go I'm such a goofball. But anyway, welcome to my channel, guys. It's me, Cherry. Let me calm down. I'm a little too hyper today. Today's my day off again, and my t-shirt says real hustle, no days off. But that's a lie, because I'm off. So I do have an off day today. I am about to run to where am I going today? I like to make impulsive trips places, but I'm not sure yet. But I do have to clean my car out, so I'm gonna take my car to get it cleaned out inside. And I'm thinking of probably going to where I can go today. I was thinking of going to Best Buy. Yes, Best Buy to get a tripod for my phone. I have a tall tripod at home with my little ring light, but it's not easy to carry around everywhere, so I need a handheld one. I have a handheld one. I had a handheld one before my birthday. I took it to Ukraine with me. I brought it back, and I can't remember where I put it when I unpacked it, so it's somewhere in the house, and I'm sure it's not too far away. But I need another one, because that one was, I don't know, just a little bulky. I'm looking for a more streamlined, seamless one. I didn't like the legs in that one too much. I ordered that one from some website that I saw on Instagram, and yeah. So of course when it arrived, I didn't really like it, but then it was kind of hard to return it. I typically don't like to return things. It's such a hassle sometimes. So if I buy something, I know it's a waste of money, guys, but if I buy something and it's not working right or it's not fitting right, I just keep it and I just donate it later on. I just don't like the hassle of returning stuff. So yeah. But I was also thinking about going to this park on the other side of town, that direction, today, but I feel so lazy. But I'm not really lazy, but I just feel like I wanted to do something else other than walk in the sun. It's 89 degrees. Well, my car says that, but I think my phone says the weather is about 95 today. So it's not too bad. It's not humid, so which is a good thing. It's not humid. But yeah. So I'm gonna go to Best Buy. I'm just going to, I think I'll go to Best Buy first, and then I'll go get my car clean inside. My car just basically needs to be vacuumed in the inside, just the mats. And my handheld vacuum cleaner that I have in my trunk, it can't reach all the way in the corners of my car. Maybe I need a different type. But I have, like, when I looked, I saw Cheerios in there at the bottom of my car. I eat breakfast sometimes in the mornings when I'm on my way to work. I eat my breakfast in my car, so I put my cereal in my bowl, or really in a cup. I put my cereal in a cup with my milk, and I'll have it in my my car, console, my cup console, and then I'll just eat my cereal. And sometimes, of course, you know, I'm clumsy, so things will spill. And there's a Cheerio lost in there. I see it down in there, so I need to get that out. And I think I see a chewing gum wrapper at the corner. And a Cheetos. Yeah, one Cheetos stuck in there. I wonder if I could still eat that Cheetos though. It looks good. No, I can't eat it. But I gotta get those things out. And my brush for my handheld vacuum cleaner cannot get down in there. I want to get one of those car seat, no, in between car seat catcher stuff. I don't know what you call them, but I saw it on Amazon. It was under $20, but I need to get a set of those for in between there, so whenever stuff falls, it falls in it instead of stuck in the side that I can't get it out. But yeah, I think I could almost reach that Cheetos. No, I can't reach it. But yeah, so I am just riding along today. I don't know if this lighting is good, but you guys can see I'm just riding along. Oh, I'm coming up to Best Buy. I have to get over. Let me over, guys. Let me over. I got over. Alright, so I'm gonna go to Best Buy. Where is it? In there. Best Buy. I love to sing and chant and stuff when I'm in a great mood. Pulling up to Best Buy, ooh, Best Buy, hey, Best Buy, ooh, Best Buy. Yay! I haven't gone to Ulta in a long time. Maybe I might swing by there and see, but I'm gonna pull up to Best Buy. Best Buy, yay, Best Buy, ooh, Best Buy, hey, Best Buy. Okay, guys, I'll see you guys inside. It's so hot, I'm already sweating. These? Okay, thank you.
No problem.
Alright, so there's this one for $54.99, which I do like. And then there's this one for $49.99. And there's this one. Okay, I like this one for $39.99. Okay, this is perfect. It's not too bulky. I think this is exactly what I like. And then there is the selfie stick type. This one for $59.99. So I already have this tall one. So I'll need this. Oh, there's this one here. Oh, okay, this one has the microphone attached. And this is $79.99. So that's all they have, I think. Yeah. And this is a short one. It's a little too short. Okay, there's some more here. There's one here for $69. Oh, there's one here for $19. I don't think it has all the parts to it. So, okay. So I think I'm just gonna get this one. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna get this one here. And that one is $39.99. So I'm just gonna get this one. Make sure it holds the size of my phone. Yeah, okay. I think I'm gonna get this one. This is a winner. Alright guys, so I'm leaving with my tripod. Yay! So I can't wait to use it. It is much better than the last one I had, for sure. The last one I had, I paid I know it was over $20, but not more than $30. So this one for $39.99 plus tax, $43.29. To me, it's a good deal. It says it's for iPhones, but it's adjustable, so it should be able to fit on my phone too. Let's see. Oh, I like this already. See, it's just simple. And I love the legs. I love this, guys. So this is the HandyPod mobile lock tripod. I love it. It's very, very sturdy. It comes with this I just screw this on here. I get so excited when I get gadgets. Do you guys get excited when you get gadgets? I love gadgets. Okay, so let's see how this goes. Gonna turn. Okay, so it's a. Okay, so it turns sideways like this, and I put my phone here. So let me try my phone here. So I wouldn't be able to try my phone while I talk to you guys. So let me try my phone and I'll let you guys know how it goes. Alright guys, I'm talking to you guys while I have my tripod on my phone, and I love it. It fits perfectly. I love it. Alright, enough playing with that. Now I'm going to go get my car cleaned, which I was supposed to do for the longest. So I'll see you guys in a few minutes. This is a fun fact, guys. One of my phobias are going through car washes. So I usually well, I've been washing my car through the car wash lately, but sometimes I used to hand wash my car just to avoid going to the car wash. So now I'm going through it, and it's still a phobia of mine. Gosh, it's like always an experience when I have to go through this thing, but I'm taking you guys with me so I won't be nervous again, because every time I go through this, I swear I get anxiety. I have this thing about brushes going around my car, and then the glass just shattering, and I'm just like drowning in all this suds. But here I am going through now. Ah! Oh, I'll pretend that I am somewhere else. I'm on a beautiful tropical island, drinking some Mai Tais while I watch the sea and the waves and the sand and the seagulls. I'm getting better though. I'm getting better. I'm getting braver. I still don't like it, but I'm getting braver. Almost done. But you guys are here to keep me company this time. Woo. I am done, guys. I did it. My car is over there. Right there, being cleaned out. And I'm using my tripod. I still have to figure out how to do this. car is nice and clean. Let's see the back. Alright, it's pretty decent. Alright, all nice and clean. And they got the Cheetos out. And they got the Cheerios out. So that's good. Alright, that's done. My car is nice and clean. My car is nice and clean. It smells really good too. I had them put cherry scented air freshener, which makes sense because my name is Cherry. So it smells so good. So good. So I think I have one more stop to make. I have to go get some water. It's 1 p.m. Almost 1 p.m. And I'm just gonna go home and relax, I think. Just eat some lunch and just relax for the rest of the day. I really don't want to go outside in this heat to do any walking or anything like that. It's too hot. It's just too hot. So I am going to end this vlog. And thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you guys in my next video. And hope you guys having a great day wherever you are. Bye.